Do-it-yourself Dell here again, and we're going to continue doing some unboxing today. More items in the mail. And we'll take the smallest package first. And I think I already know what's in here, but for your benefit we'll show you. And it's a couple of items in here. And they are plumbing caps for our bathroom project, our bathroom sink and faucet. So they're going to cap the two of the hot and the cold supply lines, and that's what they look. Can you see those? Okay. Okay, that's that. And let's take the next size package up, which I think I know what's in this one as well. But just to make sure, we'll open it up. Oh, another box. Okay. So open the package to get a box. And use the box cutter on this. Okay. Now, as you may have recalled from a previous video, we did a pegboard arrangement, and we fixed it to the wall. And now here we've got an assortment of pegboard hooks, and there are some plastic pieces inside there, which I'm not sure what they are, but we've got quite an assortment here, so we'll be revisiting that. Some of the pegboard we already have up, and we have a larger box here that I'm also thinking that I know what's in it. Am I out of shot here? Okay. Here's our trusty box knife again.
It's a big box.
It is. It's heavy too. And there. Now for the unceremoniously dumping out part. Here we are. Okay. So I'm going to set this down and lift it up from the spot. And here we have it. Okay, so here we have our pegboard arrangement, and there's two of these.
That was a big box.
And we'll be affixing these.
Is it 2 or 3?
It's 2.
Okay.